Generally, to commit a crime, a person must have some level of guilty mind, also known as mens rea. But is that true for all crimes? The United States Supreme Court addressed this question in United States v. Freed. The National Firearms Act required a firearms seller to register the new recipient's ownership with federal tax authorities and made it a federal crime to possess an unregistered firearm. The Act didn't allow registration information to be used as evidence of other crimes. The registration information was used to prosecute only violations of the Act itself. California residents Donald Freed and Shirley Jean Sutherland were charged with possessing unregistered hand grenades in violation of the Act. The government alleged that Freed and Sutherland knew they possessed grenades, but it didn't allege that they knew that the grenades were unregistered. The district court dismissed the charges for two reasons. First, the government hadn't charged Freed and Sutherland with having any scienter. Scienter is also known as mens rea, and it's the guilty mind or wrongful intent behind an action. The district court ruled that some level of scienter was necessary to commit the crime of possessing an unregistered firearm, such as knowing that the firearm wasn't registered. Second, California state law prohibited possessing a hand grenade, even if registered. Forcing Freed and Sutherland to register their grenades with federal authorities would force them to make self-incriminating statements about breaking California law in violation of their Fifth Amendment rights. The federal government appealed the dismissal directly to the United States Supreme Court.